We're back! The theme park vlogs are back for 2021. Hey everybody, Mike from LA1 here. Welcome to the start of the 2021 theme park season here at Knott's Berry Farm. I'll be talking more about this in just a second, but let's take a look and see what we see here out on the main. You can see there's a 100th anniversary all over the place. This wasn't here when I was here for the big celebration. So, yep, there's the gate with the big 100. We'll be seeing a lot of good stuff going forward here today. But before we actually do, there is actually a couple of things I would like to do first. There's something here I would like to do first. So, I don't usually show this. In anything here today. So, nature is healing, everybody. Nature is freaking healing today. Nature is healing, everybody. So we got a lot of good shots for you today, including hopefully some new shots regarding. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get on-ride footage today, unfortunately, so we're going to try it here. So here we go. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah, I don't usually show this, but let's head over this way. As we head over this way across the street, yeah, you guys know I always come from this area and I start over here, but I never start over here. So let's actually take a quick look. Let's go ahead and take a quick look, because they even did something here when you walk in for the 100th. Let's do this. Social distancing markers is here as well. Hopefully we have a solid day here. And look at this. This photo, does this look familiar? Yep, this is a concept art for the 100th anniversary celebration. Sheriff Wheeler, Bad-Eye Joe is there, which pretty much practically confirms we're going to see Ghost Town Alive come back as well. So that's definitely a good sign. We're going to be seeing this a lot throughout here. And another good sign that Ghost Town's coming back. Flint's available in there as well. So yeah, there you guys go. They actually improved the entranceway here. So let's not waste it. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I know this may seem really random. I had to talk about this, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main parking lot. Yeah, this is the actual main parking lot to Knott's, and as you can see, this is also the closest way you can get to Soak City. As you can see, because Soak City is scheduled to open, believe it or not. I thought they were going to keep it closed for another year. The event center, this is where the picnic area is. I'm not sure if that's open today or not. If that's open yet, so there's that. Might as well give you guys a quick look at this before I actually go in. Oh wow, we can actually walk through the event center. Yeah, there's 3. You got Lagoon, the Park Pavilion, the Plaza, and Gold Rush. Oh, there's 4, excuse me. You know, it's been so long. It's been so long since I've been here, I forgot how many event areas there are here. Definitely an epic go I missed. So there we go. So, right. Here's Lagoon, and here's the jungle area. I'm not sure if there's anything going on over here, but I don't know. And look what we're next to, guys. Independence Hall. I'm not sure if that's open today, but and look at this, we're arriving at the entrance to Soak City right here. So yeah, Soak City's not open today, so thankfully, if the Soak City was open, this area would be a lot crowded, making social distancing a lot harder. Okay, so I just walked inside Independence Hall, and whew, man, and there's the entrance to Soak City. Oh man, if you guys want me to do a vlog inside there, let me know in the comments actually, so I can discuss this. I know it's probably a good possibility we're not going to see much of anything in there today, but I know you guys want me to cover the park, so why don't we just go in and find out, shall we? Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Let's go right in. Ooh, nice statue. Alright, let's not waste any more time. I'm just delaying the inevitable, y'all. By the Rude Bridge. Oh, do we have a bridge with an attitude now? Alright, I'll see you guys in the park. 100th anniversary. Rest in peace to all who died that day. Jeez, how many people marked this? Alright, I will see you guys. I'll see you guys when I get in the park. Because I got a long break to get through security. Okay, so as we head back to the bridge, we have to go underneath this is where we have to go. The bridge is like literally underneath Beach Boulevard here, so that's probably the reason why. So, and although it's gonna be a damn shame, because we're probably not gonna see this actually open up anytime soon though. But believe it or not, there's actually one more thing I would like to show you. Would like to show you. You're also in the Disneyland Hotel. There's actually a for you to get married. The wedding pavilion. I know in Florida they have it's entirely indoors. Well, California is at the Disneyland Hotel. In fact, yours is actually outdoors near the Frontierland and Adventureland hotels, the towers. But what if I told you Knott has one as well? Yeah, you don't have to go to Milton or Horton just to get it. In fact, you have to go all the way to the actual parking lot. So let's not waste any time. Let's take a look at the Little White Chapel. Thanks for visiting. Oh, the day's just getting started. Unless one of my fellow associates says, yeah, I'm using my employee ID to get in today, because apparently I don't need a reservation since I work here, so. And today is actually the first day I get to do this. And oh jeez. I swear, I'm really going to be thanking COVID for the day that there's no grad nights this year. Thank you. And is one of them Canadian? Oh God. Oh God.
Hi YouTube.
Oh, already I'm getting vlog bomb today. Nature is healing, I guess. And oh boy, yeah, you can see this is actually a pretty big parking lot. Oh, shut up. Yep, there it is. Unfortunately, this is probably as close as we're humanly gonna get to it for the time being, but yep, that's it right there. That's it right there. That's where the Knott's wedding pavilion is usually at this time. And you can see, this is actually a pretty big parking lot. In fact, he goes by near the Buena Park Mall over there. Jeez Louise, man. This is amazing, I tell you. And the best part is, you get an awesome view of the park from here. So, you got a good view of Silver Bullet. Hang time, barely. Montezuma, Supreme Scream. You get the Sky Cabin with an awesome shot of the K. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get the Sky Cabin today, because I think something's going on with it, I think. So let's not waste any time now. With that done and out of the way, with the formalities done, let's just head on in and begin our day. Because boy, during the closure, boy, did they change things up. Boy, did they actually improve things while the park was closed for over a year. Let's go. Okay, I might as well show you this part of the sign. The friendliest place in the West. And boy, we're living up to that name. Oh, I just can't wait to get back to work. And welcome to the start of the vlogging season for 2021. Whew. As we get closer and closer, hopefully by the end of the year, the reservation system will be non-existent for the other parks, well, except for Disney. I have a pretty good idea that's probably going to stick. Well, we made it in, and it's nice to see all my co-workers hanging out. And look at this. Oh, I don't know. This is, and just so everyone knows, no, this is not the original berry stand, because it's probably rotten by termites by now. So yes, welcome to Knott's Berry Farm 2021. For our 100th anniversary, we made it in, no problem. I made it in, no problem. So now let's not waste any time. Yo, look at all the fun. Get used to this. They're driving the plane home. This is the 100th anniversary here. And if anyone's wondering, Crazy Kurt calls this place home. So no stunt show today, which is kind of unusual. Wait a minute. Oh! Oh! The judge is here.
Hello, welcome to Calico, everyone. Enjoy your day. Well, thank you very much.
Morning, Judge.
Thank you.
The judge is
Okay, how are you?
The Judge Roy Bean is here, thankfully. So we're gonna see some familiar faces today, thankfully for that. Nature is healing. They put the barriers back on Ghost Town Grill. Nature is healing. Nature is healing. Nature is healing, y'all. Nature is completely healing. I cannot believe it. This is our 100th anniversary. Yes. So this is going to be a busy summer for all the wrong reasons. For all the reasons. Not the traditional way. Moments in time. The post office is here. And you can see the Calico Gazette is still here, so that's definitely a good sign. We should see Ghost Town return to normal in 2022. Whew. 100th merch, jeez, are they? Yeah, get used to it. They're gonna try and drive home the point. Driving home the point. The saloon is not gonna be what we usually see these days. Nathan, in case you're wondering, nope, no one's up. No one's up here. What the? Anyone have the feeling that I'm being watched? I feel like I'm being watched. And as you can see, Summer Nights is also back as well for a second here, and I'm really happy to hear that. Very, very, very happy to see that. Very, very happy to hear that. Happy to see this. Yes, this is very, very interesting. Oh, no freaking way! Next to the bank is the Haunted Shack. I cannot tell you how much I wanted to do. I've always wanted to do this. This is a haunted legend. I've always wanted to do this. Let's take a look. Let's see. Seeing is believing. Oh, jeez. And I guess this is also a photo wall. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I wish there's a way they can bring this back in some way full time again. But we got Fairy Tales back, so there's that. There's that. Huh. Nothing going on top today. There's Town Hall. The sign's still there, so that's definitely a good sign that they're keeping it the way things are. Oh, this is sad that COVID had to ruin our lives as things were. So everything is still pretty much same as everything is. So let's take a look around. And let's head on over to the next step in the town. I can't believe they brought the hottest shack in. So there's that. Enjoy, everyone. There's the mine train. We're gonna try and get on that there today, hopefully. We're gonna try and take a look here. There's Summer Nights. And there's Hiatus from last year. Hopefully we get to hear some good news regarding this soon. So hopefully. We'll try and get this sometime in the next couple of days. So hopefully. Let's not waste any more time. Let's continue walking around. Now I know a lot of you guys want me to review Knott's Fairy Tales today, but unfortunately there's a particular reason why I can't film it today. Well, mainly because the thing you use has a string on it, similar to Toy Story Mania, and it's pretty much like Iron Leaf as well. And speaking of possible spoilers right there. However, this is probably one of the few times I'm gonna need the GoPro for this. So, yeah, I might have to get the GoPro out for that, on that one. So, like I said, hopefully in the next few days we're gonna get the GoPro ready, just so we can get things ready for you guys. So here we are on the boardwalk, and oh, another surprise. Of the dinosaurs. The ride that ironically replaced Fairy Tales. Let's take a look. What?
I've discovered the secret to time travel. You must turn back.
Oh, jeez, man. That is awesome. They only got with a photo shoot. Oh, it was a photo area. That's it. And yet Fairy Tales gets to come back. Fairy Tales gets to come back, and gotta say, I actually am. Oh, nature is truly healing, everybody. Nature is truly healing, y'all. Terrific. Oh. And look at that. Woodstock has been removed. I'm surprised they haven't put a special livery for the 100 on the Sky Cabin. I guess some people think that's probably a good thing for that, probably. So, how the fuck did I miss that? And, oh, what's this I hear? Oh, it's the falling parachutes. Or whatever the hell it's called. Oh, the sky jump. If you can believe it, that used to be right here. Used to be right here, believe it or not. Awesome, it's here. Well, it doesn't look like that soccer game's coming back anytime soon. Because Knott's still here. Awesome. Awesome. Wow, Costa's got 100 overload here. I love it. Love it. I see a lot of Bryce Harper merch there. And oh, we got photo shoots galore over here, including what in the world? It's the old K from the Sky Cabin. Yeah, as you guys knew, last year they took the old K down and replaced it with the current one that's currently up there. I can see the K. We are getting close. Wow, man. Yeah, I didn't realize how big this thing actually is, but oh no, probably the most iconic ride of Knott's besides the log ride and the mine ride. Soapbox Racers that used to be right here before it got replaced by Windjammer, and then eventually we got Accelerator. Huh. Huh. Oh, you can't oh. Here we go. It's lights out and away we go! Oh. But we'll talk more about the Soapbox Racers in a little bit, so look forward to that, folks. And was he part of the original ride? I always want to know about this. Yeah. Holy crap. I can't believe this. Welcome to Knott's 100th anniversary. And it's awesome to see some of my colleagues come back to work. But not me. And if you guys are wondering, yes, Supreme Scream is still here. But no special photo ops here this time, I don't think. Well, here's something you don't see every day. Accelerator on a 2-train service. Here we are in Fiesta Village, and yep, more 100th anniversary merch here. Decorations, excuse me. Here, hopefully are we gonna see any special more photo ops that we already seen? Let's find out as we jump right into Fiesta Village. In Fiesta Village. Oh my God. Can't believe it. The original menus are back. Here in Fiesta Village, I can get my Knott, get my traditional menus. It's back then. Huh. This area is a lot quieter than I expect. And you know what? I want to see. I'm checking out. What's going on here in the Fiesta Plaza before we check out Jaguar here? Johnny Cameron, a puppet number. Oh, this used to be the other one? This used to have puppets? Oh, look at that! Used to have puppets here. Used to have puppets. Look at that. Now, we're about to go inside Jaguar now for my first ride of the day. Not first ride of the season because there was an employee preview event that I attended. My first ride, but that was the log ride, of course. So let's jump right in, y'all. Hopefully we can see something different here. Here we are in Jaguar. Hopefully things don't scare the crap out of me. Well, at least the lighting here looks just as good as I remember it. As good as I remember it. Oh, I miss being in here and the jeez! The idle lit is lit. Hopefully it's not cursed. Keep that curse away from here. Everything else looks fantastic in here. Alright guys, unfortunately I can't take you guys on for the ride. Right, policy here. So I'll see you guys after this, the first official ride. And yeah, they fixed these up in a heartbeat. Excited to see what they come up with in the new ride. Catch you guys in a little bit. So long enough time, but they actually put numbers on the road now. This is very new here. Alright, now I'll see you guys after the ride. just came off Jaguar for the first official ride of the season with you guys. Just don't forget, I didn't bring my camera along for the official ride too, so just that. So really good ride. The lift hill was a little bumpy considering how long it's been, but even with all the social distancing and markers in mind, there's the extended queue line that they just opened up. But with the governors saying that we're doing so well that we're hopefully going to be, by June 15th, hopefully things get Montezuma. Things should get back to normal with low capacity limits. We might be seeing the end of these things, so hopefully for that. Yeah, there's some people not giving a shit about the rules here, so. So we've been through most of the lands. No special photo ops here in Fiesta Village, but we have yet to visit Camp Snoopy. And I thought, they turned Camp Snoopy into a semi-scare maze during the feast of Halloween, which you guys will see eventually on this show. So here we go. And let's see what they got for the 100th anniversary for Camp Snoopy. Yeah, considering that all of this has been scaled down for the 100th anniversary, thank you, COVID. So, yeah, we're feeling a little bit of a light breeze, so there's that, so. Oh, wow, look at this. They actually have Knott's 100K flags on the Rocky Mountain. And there you see the barriers, the plexiglass barriers.
You have to have something on there to keep it
Here and High Sierra, arguably the most dangerous Ferris wheel this side of the Mississippi. It's nice to see all the rides up and running again after all this time, man. Oh my goodness. Flags are here at the portrait stand here. And look, the former meet and greet section is now a picnic area again. Up and Putt is still closed. Is it possible that it's possibly gone? Like, seriously, what other ride can replace it than I just entered the Rhine? Joe, I missed. Which one did I enter? Line of Slaughter? No. No. Pass. Not that today. I don't want to end up like on one of those Zamperla Volairs. No, thank you. Well, at least I appreciate they're putting in wait times now because of this. So at least there's some positives that came out of this. Some positives that came out of this. The Grand Sierra is back as well. Very, very nice. And there's Grizzly Creek. And there's my baby. I don't know if I'm going to be riding it today or... I'll have to wait and see. And by the way, if any one of you is watching, they should have toned it down with the purple. You're the saddest person I've ever known. The purple here is great. Oh, I was about to say, where's the meet and greet? Oh, there it is. Snoopy's back, as usual. It's always good to see it here. And thankfully, now that the parks are now open, thankfully, elves, skeletons, and Easter bunnies can't ride this ride anymore. I'm going to be here for a while, so hopefully I can make it through today without getting on a ride of probably my favorite coaster in the entire park. And it's always on a 2-train service. Excellent. That's definitely going to help my decision out. Decision out a lot going forward. Okay, everyone, so I'm about to go on Knott's Spirit Hills in the public for the first time. And I can tell you, I will not be covering very much of this until I get the GoPro going. So hopefully you won't be hearing my thoughts on this until the actual review. So I'll catch you guys shortly. See you in a bit. So I just came out Knott's Fairy Tales. This is probably the closest thing you're gonna get here. Probably the closest thing you're gonna get until the actual review. So stay tuned for that, everyone. So yeah. Overall, there's that, but there's a little something here. So here we are. We have the gift shop for Knott's Fairy Tales, called the Factory Store. As you can see, you got a lot of retro merchandise here. Like there's some for Soapbox Racers. May have to pick some up. We got some 100th anniversary merch. We got the Devil's Volcano, which is probably where Ghost Rider is now. Got some Sad Eye merch. Sad Eye merch. We got some Sad Eye merch here. More 100th anniversary. Sky Jump. And look at this. An actual ride vehicle from the Soapbox Racers.
They had like a
holy crap. And it was saved from the desert. Well, I don't know why Knott's decided to do this. Don't know why they did this. So yeah, car 31 is saved. That's been saved, and hopefully it stays here for good. And of course we got some fairy tale merch, which I'll talk more about once we get to once I actually review the ride. But probably one of the biggest changes is they changed the name of the theater to the Schultz Theater. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. I'm just a messenger. But look what they've done here. The arcade is back. It goes without saying, nature is healing, ladies and gentlemen. We're starting to get things back to normal around here. And the fact that this is still available makes me think we're in for, especially the Ghost Town returning next year is really good. Bet on spoilers. Run around, so here we go. Alright, our next ride is the not so racist hat dance. So again, I can't take you guys on for the ride, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just got off the hat dance. Solid ride. Now normally this is where I would go for a Jaguar, but since I did that first thing today, and since the Sky Cabin is still closed for whatever reason, we're going to actually get ready to get something to eat here. So it's time for me to get something to eat. It seems that they haven't changed much of the menus at all. So hopefully within the next few days they should be able to fix this. And hopefully within the next few days. So as social distancing heads to the pit of misery. So here we go. As I'm wondering, yes, the same decor is still here, but the arcade is now open, featuring the MotoGP arcade game. I was wondering where I've heard that term before, and it seems it's been updated. Is Valentino Rossi in this? Well, I see Mark Marquez. So there's that. Yeah, I still can't believe the hat dance hasn't gotten canceled. be honest, this would be canceled. Alright. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to get something to eat. Get something to dine on. The dine here, so I'm here. And notice there's no train. I guess due to the lack of social distancing, they couldn't do it, I guess.
Your ride aboard the Supreme Screen is platform comes to a complete stop and follow the arrow to the exit.
That's my for lunch. Okay, I just finished having some lunch here. I got garlic fries here from the Strictly on a Stick and a nice little beer. Would you believe they actually put the 100th anniversary logo on the straws? Unbelievable, man. They're really going up the merchandise here. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's the day after Memorial Day. Oh my God. The park is a lot crowded. It's definitely the crowdest I've seen this. And this is, honestly, I do think probably by fall, hopefully the park's gonna be quiet, much more quiet. So there's that. So hopefully we want to try and get at least a couple more rides in. Hopefully try and get on the mine train because I'm planning to leave at 5:30. Hopefully to come back on Thursday. Hopefully I can try and get some on-ride or some whatever I can try and get for you.
Chrissy, do a little video.
Hopefully things do continue, and yeah, I'm gonna get out of here and hopefully try and get some good shots here, or on my shots.
Wait in the line.
Certainly. So here we go. So it's been a while since I last checked in with you guys. We're gonna do some walk some accelerator for you today, and this is the first. We have the red, white, and blue cars, the spirit of America, as I like to call it. And the traditional purple flame car is also here. I'm surprised that guy's mask didn't fly off. Alright, so we're going to watch a little bit of this, and then I think that'll probably be it. We know this is a lot of the entertainment, don't worry. We'll be back in less than 48 hours. Because I don't even have to get a reservation. If I work here. Alright, they're checking the restraints. Something's going on. Alright, here we go. All we gotta do is wait for lights out. And okay, all that's left now is get ready for lights out and we'll be on our way. Here we go. And here we go. And it's lights out and away they go. And their mask didn't fly off. Give them a round of applause. Here we go. All they're getting strapped in. Oh, they must have played the wrong audio. The wrong audio, I guess, over there. All right. It's time now for another turn of lights out. So we can send them launching at 80 miles an hour. Here we go. It's lights out and away they go. And boy, I can feel that breeze from right here. Alright everyone, so we're here at the Gazette. As you can see, we got a lot, including Mud's back, so there is that might be a dead-on clue that Ghosttown may be returning in 2023. I mean, excuse me. You can see there's the Mud's back, the 75 years. Gold, 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 Mud's back. There's the map stolen. There's Bixby's office, and boy. Everything's a mess in there. But more importantly, another big clue about Ghosttown Live returning in 22 is the mailbox. You're thinking, oh, they're gonna remove it. They're gonna just, you know, they're just gonna remove the nameplates. Well, I can happily say they are still there, including Mr. Bird's. Boy, hey. We still need to find out what's going to happen to him. Is he going to get charged by the judge? We're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen here. Overall, first day has been a success. I mean, we didn't get to go on the ride that I was hoping I was going to get to. But let's be honest, this video's gone on long enough. Past my goal of at least a half hour. So I'm hoping to come back on Thursday, hopefully. Because as you know, since I'm an employee here, I can get in here without getting a reservation. And this is the entrance you have to go in if you want to see Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies. They're no longer performing out. They're not performing in front of on the Calico stage for obvious reasons. All right, we'll be right back. Or possibly the sign-off after a pretty successful very first day here at Knott's Berry Farm. The theme park vlog will resume. Will gain momentum throughout the coming year. Well guys, after a fairly successful day of walking around the park, I know we missed a lot of the entertainment so far this week, but this is just the beginning, y'all. But tonight, our day is over. Got myself a nice beverage on the way out. Nice cold beverage on my way out. Hopefully one of these days I will get to, hopefully one of these days I will get on my baby again, Sierra Sidewinder. Because during the employee preview, this and Fiesta Village were blocked off. So it was mostly Ghosttown and the boardwalk. That was the only thing that was open. Which was really stupid, but oh well, you win some and you lose some, I guess. And now, please fall. Okay, and we have an adult who's completely sad and pathetic. Riding. Then again, I rode frickin' balloon race. Who's talking? Oh wait, that's not an up. Oops. Oh, I missed. Yes, even though this is going to be another year without Ghosttown Alive, we're going to try and figure out a way to really make this work, y'all. Our 100th anniversary. It was supposed to be last year, thank you, COVID. But, going to see where this goes, y'all. So that's going to practically do it, everyone. I just want to say thank you all for joining me today as we kick off the return of the theme park vlog. We don't know when I'm going to be coming back yet, so we're going to have to wait and see, y'all. Oh, trust me, I think a lot of people are really excited for the day when we don't have to hear that announcement again. So trust me, we've been hearing that a lot all throughout last year during the taste event and now. So that's it from here, guys. From the first visit of the 2021 theme park season, plenty more coming, including going back to Disney, whenever that may be, as well as the debut of a third park to the rotation, whenever that might be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching. Good night, everybody, from Knott's Berry Farm.